Hello, my friends. I am very excited to share these items with you today. One, I know a lot of you have been waiting for because it coordinates, this side, with our cute little turtle over here. And one I am desperately in love with. And the other one is an oldie but a goodie. We are actually bringing it back. We're not doing a release on the 25th of this month. So check your stash. You might have it, but I have a feeling you might not because it's been so long since it's been gone. Are you ready? Get set. We now have a friend for our turtle. So here's our adorable little turtle as a box. Now we have a cute little piggy friend. Now look at how much I added to this die set. So not only, it's a 5x7 folded, not only are you getting the cute little piggy and his eyes and his little nose separately, you're also getting a little cup for a little mug of coffee or tea or hot chocolate, and you're getting a little piece of pie so he can be holding any of those items. So adorable, right? I know, he's so cute, and I have lots of fun samples to share with you. The best part though about him is his little arm opens so you can put things behind it like that piece of cake or that cup, which is so fun. The next item that I have to share with you went through a couple revisions. You guys know that, as an end user, I do make cards, right? And so I test every single die to make sure that it is its absolute best. Well, this was one that took a little while. It really, really did, because I wanted those extra pieces on there. So you are getting, this is a arrow heart. Isn't it cute? It's a folded A2, but it's a arrow in the shape of a heart, but I added the word love to go on top. So it's perfect for anything. And I have lots of samples to share with you. Last but not least is this one. This is a step-up card. It is a heart step-up card that I came out with it feels like 100 years ago with Sizzix. Now I'm bringing, it's my art, I'm bringing it in under our umbrella at the Stamps of Life, and it is a heart step up. So there is a chance you might have it. So I want you to check, but you might not because it is an oldie but a goodie. Now, the reason why we brought it back is because it's a goodie and I love it, but look at how many dies I fit on this. You will not believe how many dies you get in this set. It's unbelievable. So let's jump in and look at our samples. And oh my goodness, look at this little cutie pie. I love this guy. Now, the 5x7 foldeds are perfect to fold on the side, so you don't need larger paper. But look at how cute this little guy is. He's ready to go. He has his cute little heart. I love that heart. Now, here's one. Oh, decorate the top. Look at his little crown. It's like a floral crown. Now, if you don't want to buy bigger cardstock to make the folded at the top, this is what you're going to do. You're going to put that fold lower down on the die, because when you decorate it from the top, it doesn't matter how big that die is on the inside. The card is on the inside. So this is perfect. So that's the perfect example to show you that we're always going to add that extra die on top so you can put that fold anywhere. Here's another cute, this one, HHBD, happy birthday. Here's another one, happy birthday with that yummy cake in there. Look how cute that is. Another one with, look how different colors you can add. You can make him pink, you can make him peach. I say him, but it could be a girl. You can make pink here. Here's another one that's more of a cantaloupe type color. Love that. Here's one in pink. Just so cute. This little piglet, so cute. Now, and perfect to go with the turtle. Just saying. Now, here is that heart folded I was telling you about. Look at how adorable that is with that love. I just think that's so cute. Here's another one. Ooh, using one of our wax seals. Look how cute that is. Now, I want to tell you something. So if this, when you lay it down, watch, it kind of goes to the side. Let me show you a trick. What you're going to do is you're going to take this very, very bottom and you are just going to snip ever so lightly like that. Now, you can barely see, it's almost like it's less than a fingernail clipping, right? Just a little tiny bit off. And then what you're gonna do is, and sometimes if it might be, this one's heavy on this side, but we can cut a little bit more and we should be able to get this one, even though it's heavier on one side, we should be able to get it to stand. Ta-da! Look at that! So it is side heavy, but if you just trim a little bit off, about a little bit of a fingernail clipping. I know that sounds gross, but a little fingernail. It's just a little sliver. Look, it's just a little sliver. I did 2 little slivers. Perfect, right? Look how I love that honeycomb one. Oh, here's one on the front of a card. And you could trim the side. Who did this? Chris, genius. She tricked me. I thought she just cut the front off. No, she used our rounded gatefold card, just used one side, only cut it once. And now look how perfect that heart fits on there. This is like, I love this, Chris, because this is finding another reason to use your rounded gatefold. I want you to go get your rounded gatefold and think of all the different foldits you could put on the front. This is perfect. I love that. I love it, love it, love it. Here's a cute one. Love, 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 love. No pun intended. Here's another one. Love. But see how different. Oh, this one's a stand-up. See how different each and every one is. Put it on a card front. You're going to be, so we have shaped card, stand up, and on an A2 card base. So many different options with all of the fold-its, right? Now, let's look at our heart stand up. Check your stash first on this one. We're releasing this one. Usually we do re-releases on the 25th of the month, so you'll know on all of them. This is the only one that's the re-release for this month. So I want you to check your stash because I have a feeling you don't have it. But just to make sure, but look at how cute this stair step is. It is a step up. It has all the, oh, there we go. Has all these layers. Look at that. And it comes with so many hearts. It also comes with the words love you and miss you. Oh, this one's missing you. But it comes with love, miss, and you. So you can say miss you, love you. It's up to you. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. And it had to be released this month because of our unicorns, right? Perfect for our unicorns. And here's another one with the unicorn. Absolutely, positively perfect with the unicorns. Or the Adore balloon. Look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that wonderful? I love that. Now I have a couple more. Here's a fun one. And it comes with layering dice to go on those hearts. Now, who did this one? Who got this one? Yvette did this one. Look at this. What if you don't want to do hearts? Why not do strawberries instead? Look at that. Isn't that cute? She just glued strawberries to the front. Simple. Simple, simple. Isn't that sweet? I love that. You are so sweet. You are sweet. You are sweet. I love that. I love it. Now, club members, I know you know. I go through this all the time, right? You guys know the deal. You know the first 24 hours, these are on the website. They're on flash sale. And you get your club discount on top of that. So if you're not in the club, you're missing out on a discount of 15 to 20% off my entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Can you tell I'm doing this? We've been singing a lot of Wheels on the Bus. The wipers go swish. So, my friends, save money. I'm all about saving you money. Don't you want to save money? I want to save money. Do you want to save money? Do you want to save money? Join one of our clubs. You save money every single month, and it's absolutely, positively an amazing place to be. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club. Just watch that video. It explains it all, and I will see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.